hello, and I'll reach the other side of Hengistbury Head, looking out towards the Isle of Wight, towards the Needles. Lovely day for out here, it really is gorgeous. So yeah, that's a positive. So been doing some test transmissions as I've been walking up here, and I've just checked my SSTV world cam. I can't see anything on there, so that's going to be interesting to try and find out why that is. I've tested the reception on via my bow frame, and I can definitely hear it going out now. Actually replaced the batteries on everything, and on the Kenwood I'm using a AA battery pack. That's quite cool. I think it's so tight now. I think it's the first time it's ever been used. I wouldn't be surprised. But yeah, it's definitely transmitting. The pictures definitely went out. So I think I'll wait till I get home and see. Good thing is, walking up towards the hill, I could hear a few contacts on the repeater, which was good as well. In between transmitting out on 2 meters, so I could hear on 77s on the bow frame. There's some activity, and someone responded to my /P call, which was nice. But yeah, I mean, if anything, it's just been a really nice walk. It's a beautiful day for it, and Sweetie's happy. And your Sweetie? Oh, bless him. Yeah, we're having a nice walk. It's nice and relaxing, good exercise. So yeah, I'm having a good time. I'm going to pack everything apart from the bow frame back away in my little box. I'll keep it nice and safe and tidy, take it home, and type a few contacts on the repeater for a little while, and then start walking back. Yeah, have to see what's happened when I get home, I guess. Anyway, Jericho 0 Fox Whiskey Echo. 70 peace.